Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove items from your favorites list in the Amazon Seller app. So I'll show you two ways to do it. One way is takes a little bit more time, and then the other way is a quick way you can quickly remove stuff from your favorites list. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to hit the Amazon Seller app right here, and Amazon Seller app is pulled up. So I'm going to go down to add a product so we can find our favorites list. So I'll click on add a product, and the first button right there is favorites. So I'm going to click on favorites, and I'll show you two different ways you can remove stuff off your favorites list. So the first way is to go into each individual item. So let's click on this very first one, this Harry Potter Flying Forward. So I clicked on it, it pulled up the listing. See where it says favorited at the very bottom? I'm just gonna tap the favorited button. This removes it from the favorites list. So I will go ahead and go back to my favorite list, and I'm gonna pull down on my phone so it refreshes. And as you can see, it has been removed. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it, which is a little bit quicker, is you see how we're on the list of favorites right here? If you go to the very left part of the screen, you see the blue star right there. All you have to do is just tap the blue star, and that will unfavorite these things and take them off your list. I'm gonna go ahead and unfavorite the first 5 things. Actually, I'll just do a few. So I'm gonna unfavorite the first 2, and then I'm gonna pull down and refresh. And then you can see that those 2 things are gone, and then the bottom of the list has moved up. And that's it, the 2 ways to remove stuff from your favorites list on the Amazon Seller app. If you found this video useful, please go ahead and like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.